folks, it's me again, and I'm going to do a tool review today. I might do one or two of them just because, why not? Because it's going to be so short and boring that two of them is better than one. Come to think of it, where did the other... I'm missing a tool. Where did it go? No, I remember. Where did I put it? Oh, this sucks. I was going to do another video, but I can't figure out what I did with the tool. Oh well, we're just gonna have to go with the flow. Okay, folks, I had I had a video in mind a couple of weeks ago, so I'm gonna do this one like this now. Let's see. Can you all see here? This is my bench. Let me adjust this so it's. How about, there we go. Put that like that. Yeah, you can see what I'm doing. First video is this. This is a. I don't know what this is, to be honest. Let me see if the lights work. Whoa, whoa, what's going on here? Why are my lights doing that? There we go. This is an unknown wrench, basically. It's kind of like the, where's the other one? I always got one later. It's kind of like these King Dick wrenches, but only it's a not so King Dick wrench. This is the genuine King Dick wrench, and this one's got a little bend in it. I'm gonna probably make a video and put it in a thing and heat it up and bring it back to subpar. But it's, see, if you open it up here, somebody obviously used this as a hammer. I don't think they're meant to be used as hammers. I think wrenches are meant to be used as wrenches. So anyway, if you open it up like this, you'll see. It's pretty much the same concept, only I think this one was, there's like two little things here. I don't know if it was, oh yeah, see, yeah, it was pinned together. If you look right, I don't know if you can see right here, there's a round thing here and here. There's a round one, round one, round one, and if you look, there's a little flat piece. So this, I think somebody made a cheap version of this. Let's see, is it coming out? Come on. The screw isn't very good on this one. There's no markings on here. This comes out here. I think, maybe. It's come out. Come on out, dude. What the hell's going on here? It's like stuck in there. Oh no. Oh no, it's stuck in there. Usually the screw pops out, but this one is like encased in there. So even if I wanted to fix it, I couldn't. I'd have to file this out. And here's the screw, which I don't know if you can see it, but see, it's I don't know if you can see it. There's a steel plate here. Looks like just a El Cheapo knockoff with a screw cut in there. So I don't know. I guess it was at one time it was probably a good wrench. And this has got a slight bend in it, but yeah. Yeah, well, trust me, it wasn't, I didn't spend $1 million on this thing, so I think it was like $3. You don't really find them for $3. No names, no markings. Looks like there's a, I don't know, it's weird. There's a, I don't know if you can see that little line that's in there. Like you can see where the metal plate is, but there's like a line here. I would assume it's not cast. It'd be fun to try and make one of these. Even if you do it like that, the nut gets stuck in here. The knurling is kind of bad too. So, and you can see it lining up not too great. See, it goes all the way in, and then that's as good as she gets right there. Hopefully this video comes out clear. I can't see what the hell I'm recording, so it's not bad. Unlike these ones, if you look at the difference in the precision in the Kingity ones. I think I have about, I don't know, 25 more of these things. So, yeah, I like King Dick wrenches. I think I have like 25 of them. I have mini ones. See if I can find a mini one. Where's the mini one? Where's the mini one? I got a, where's the other one? I think the mini one's at work. I think the mini one is at my work. Where'd it go? Better be at work. Where is it? Where's the mini wrench? Don't you know where the mini wrench went? Oh well. So much for a highly prepared video, right? So anyway, that was my first attempt at madness, this one. And then I also picked up this Crescent Tool, Jamestown, New York one. Nothing really exciting about it. It's a working, functional, cool wrench. And I had another one somewhere. Where did that thing go? I had another one similar to this. Oh, it's in my house. I lost it again. There was this one, which, yeah, I don't know. That's pretty much it for that tool. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the, let me turn this light off now. I haven't bought too many used tools or new vintage tools because I haven't found anything worth buying. Most of them are destroyed beyond belief, or you know, a $5 thing like this is priced up at like out of most people's normal price range, or I'm just buying vice grips. But there's nothing. If I find something, I'm like one of those. I guess I should call myself the $10 tool guy, because if it's not cheap or worth buying, like who the hell cares? Like I'm not gonna buy a $200 wrench because, you know, I have $200 to burn. And if you're just collecting old tools because you like them, that's when I'll make a video and fix it. I'm gonna probably put it in a vise, wedge it in there and heat it and just bend it a little. Let it try it out, see if it works, and bend it, try it, see how it goes. It'd be nice if I can get this nut out, because then I could bend it and just put the thing on there, see if it lines up. But yeah, it's kind of cool though. It's got a, you know, nice patina to it. It's got actually a nice finish, because these are super smooth, and they're like, don't get me wrong, these are cool. This is like super smooth and nice and precise. This one has this, like, you know when you get a old rusty metal, it's got like a kind of a thing. It's like got a nice, but honestly I think this is probably cheaper made than this bulky. I mean, look at it. Look at the difference. Seriously, one's got meat to it. And the knurling and the screw on this one are much better. But other than that, it's a pretty neat design for, I think they're called bicycle wrenches over the pond. So what gets me is the name of the thing. King Dick versus Zero Dick. So thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and if you like crazy videos and me talking about tools and blah blah blah, well, just click like, subscribe, and come back and join the fun. Thanks for watching.